Hello, everybody. My name's Anthony, and so I just wanted to finish up with my basal thumb post-op surgery. This has been 3 months since I've had this surgery, and what I have to say about this is that it is a whole lot better than it used to be. I'm able to sleep a whole lot better, and I wanted to show you the progress on it. I mean, I do have a lot more mobility. I can move my thumb and fingers a lot better. And I wanted to show you the scarring issues. So anyway, this is where the carpal tunnel surgery was. You can kind of see that. There's just a little bit of scarring left in there that I am working on massage-wise on these areas here. Let's see here. So this is basically where I had the surgery. Let me back that up. And you can see that's the area that I'm moving here on the thumb. And let's see that. And the piece of tendon was then taken out of this area here, where you can see the little scar, which is right here. Kind of see that little scar in here. And that is the area where they took out the tendon to create the bone or recreate the joint in the thumb area here so that I can move it again without a lot of and I think it's just going to take some time. They did take a piece of bone out of there, the trapezium, so it does hurt a little bit, but from what I understand, it gets better and better over time. Like, I can move it, I can do things with it. It's going to just take time, because I've gotten my strength, and I think it's just going to take some time. They did take a piece of bone out of there, the trapezium back, sort of. There's still a little soreness in the pinching area, but what I have to say is, for what I went through, the pain and all the rest of it, I think it is going to subside, and so I'm pleased with what has happened with that. And so that's another little crisis in my life that I can kind of move on with, and start looking at focusing on the more of the challenges and the things that have kept me from doing what I really want to do. So the past few years have been a lot about moving through major health challenges. And as I'm moving through those one by one, knocking down the challenges and moving through them has been the biggest thing that I've gotten through. And so now I feel like 2023 has been a pivotal year for breaking through challenges, getting through this surgery and making sure that my hand works again and feeling like I can move on doing my life again. And so I do have some other things I want to talk about, but I wanted to focus and kind of put the carpal tunnel and the thumb CMC basal post-op surgery diary to bed. And because I did have a few people ask about things from another CMC group that wanted information. So I'm just putting this out there. I will probably put up another video that I did a while back from the surgery and how it's been progressing, so which is a little bit more graphic. But anyway, any other questions, please send them. Thanks for watching Heal, Eat, Teach in Carpizzo's Kitchen. We will continue to be making fun videos, food, nutritious videos, and health videos. So please continue to look, and thank you for subscribing. I guess I'm not done yet. I got a lot more to do. So, and I'll be back with more of that to talk about in other information. So thank you guys for listening. We've got some new videos coming out this week on cooking, and we have one coming out tomorrow about donuts, pumpkin donuts. So make sure you catch that one. All right. Thanks everybody for listening. Have a great day. Keep subscribing. We love it. Thanks. Have a great day. Bye.